This video is for explaining the yellow packet, steps 8, 9, and 10 to the next teacher check-in point. So you have just gone and gotten a grade and a signature from me, and I have just burst your bubble. You are super excited about your idea, and then I gave you something like a 6. And I said, this is a great place to start. Now we have to evolve our idea. And I have given you a skill, and I've written it in here, that is based upon what you need to go learn or experience in order to get better at executing your idea. So for example, if I just went to the teacher and she saw this idea right here, she probably told me that I need to go learn about 2-point perspective or 0-point perspective or 1-point perspective, right? But she told me to go learn about something. And she's probably written it right here, so I can remember. And then based off of that, I now need to go research or curate a video that would help teach me that information. Some things to keep in mind is I have posters all over the room that help to teach different skills. I also have extensive playlists on my YouTube channel. So right now, if you split screen your screen and pull me up over here and search, you might find a playlist called Drawing, and in that drawing playlist you might find, for example, 2-point perspective how-to video, okay? If you can't find it or I don't have it, you can just search, like you have all of the Google. Just type in 2-point perspective how-to and then change it to a video search, and then you be, a conscientious viewer. Like, what does the little picture tell you? Does it look like they know what they're doing? If they don't know what they're doing, pick a different one. Does it seem too long? Does it seem too short? But you then are going to go learn this skill. So on a separate, different page, I would then go in, and if it was me, I would do what the video did. And then show me to draw a line, and I have a ruler, and it's nice, and it's clean, and it's exact, and it's pretty, and it took me some time to do. And then I'm like, I could do it better. So I did it again. And then I'm like, it's still not quite like the video. And I did it again. And then I might be like, now I want to try it, but I want to try it and turn it into a video game remote, right? So now I'm trying to combine it and my idea. At any time that I'm getting stuck, I'm asking for teacher input, or I'm sharing it as a part of our learning experience, right? But once I feel like I have learned this skill, I'm going to check it off. And then it says, evolve your sketches. So I can't bring this back up to the teacher. Instead now, I'm going to go into, instead of a 30-second thumbnail sketch, I am going to go into a 5 to 10 minute sketch, where I might use an entire sheet of paper in my sketchbook, or I very carefully with a ruler outlined a space off. But I am going to take this learning, and you are going to see it executed in this sketch. Okay, so I would be using my vanishing points, and I would be drawing things out, and I would have looked up a picture of this remote so that it looked more accurate. I'm doing this fast just because you don't need to watch me draw on here. Okay, and I am making sure that it is all pretty, and I have decided that I'm going to do this little road thing, right? Whatever it is I'm doing, it's all pretty, 5 to 10 minutes. Once I've done that, I'm going to go back to the instructor, and she should see evidence that my idea evolved and got better. My execution got better. And then she will score it, and you will move on to the next part.